What's up guys, welcome back to another Crown Racing Co video. Today, we're in a new location. We're not filming in my garage, we're actually at Kellan's house. And we're gonna be putting some really cool parts on his Golf R. In just a few weeks, we're going to Wookiees in the Woods, which is right next to the Tail of the Dragon. It's a car festival, and Kellan's gonna try to cram and get some really cool parts on his car, so that way he can enjoy them while we're down there. So, Kellan, tell us, what are we doing in today's video here?
We got a hood that took a whole 10 months to get here from Malaysia, premium Dutch carbon. Yep, looks a little racer, but
no, it looks good.
I think it'll be sick once it's on the car. I think it'd be a little different if the car wasn't black, but the car's black, so it should be good.
Cool.
We got some 034 Motorsports, upgraded rear rotors. They're 40 millimeters bigger.
Oh my God.
Some fresh spark plugs,
look
some
at
pads, and some oil.
Guys, look at how big this rotor is. I don't know if that's a good size comparison, but this thing is huge.
Still not as big as the fronts that we did, what, a couple years ago?
Yeah. Damn, dude, look at all these sweet parts. Dude, look at this. This is the first time I've ever messed with 8-piston calipers.
That is the biggest caliper I have ever seen personally.
I get to play with them, and I didn't even have to buy them. Our buddy Kellan's in town.
Howdy.
He's got this beautiful Golf R, and in this video, we're gonna be doing full brake upgrade, lowering springs, and possibly some beautiful OEM Plus racing seats.
What kind of stuff?
Guys, so we're gonna start the video with the hood install, because I know that's what you guys wanna see first. And then later in the video, we're gonna circle back around and install the rear brakes. I had to put Kellan on blast here. Look at that filter.
Listen, it's been
roast him in the comments.
It's been a while.
This is the daily driver, I get it, but roast him in the comments for the cleanliness of this air filter. Oh my God, dude. All right, guys, the moment you've all been waiting for. We're about to unwrap this beautiful carbon fiber hood. Well, there it is. After an hour of fitting, the hood fits great. We were just messing around with hood defender fitment and getting all the body lines to line up, right? So you have like this line right here that's gotta match up with the headlight. And then of course you have the cutout for the VW badge. So Kellan and I spent a lot of time getting it right, because obviously this beautiful carbon hood is gonna draw a lot of attention. So if people are gonna be looking at it, it's gotta fit the car right. But we got it all fitted on there, and it looks so good.
Could you imagine it like flying up when we're flying
Stop.
through the mountains? It just snaps right off the hinges.
Stop, I would cry.
Let's hope those epoxy threads are in there real tight on that hood latch.
All right, well, now it's time to do the rear brakes. So cut to us working on the rear brakes.
So because we're doing the rear calipers in this Golf R, like most other Golf Rs and the Audi S3s, has electric parking brakes in the rear.
That guy. So yeah, what, you gotta take the e-brake off?
Yeah,
obviously.
turn it on, turn it off, and then there's a procedure using OBD 11 here that we'll do
really?
Hopefully back it out. It's supposed to remove the caliper and retract the piston all the way with the parking brake, so we'll see.
Wow.
It'll write the value. I gotta pay credits.
No.
I could.
No, Volkswagen did you dirty like that?
No, it's the app. Listen.
God, that's where our world's going now. All right, guys, so we got the first rear caliper off. Give her a little bath. So guys, we obviously had to cut the dust shield or heat shield for that bigger diameter rotor. So right now we're gonna do a couple test fits to make sure it fits correctly.
I'd say she clears.
Ooh.
Perfect.
Really? How much though? By a lot?
Yeah.
Like even if there's vibration, it's not gonna hit?
You wanna look at it?
If I can get in there, let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Even if it vibrates, it won't hit.
Yep.
Those new rotors are so big, you'll forget those are even there.
Yeah. Plenty of stopping power for the little hot hatch.
Alrighty crew, so that's it for this video. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Go check us out on Instagram at Crown Racing Co. And if you guys want, go check out our brand new 2024 streetwear lineup at crownracingco.com. Keep an eye out for the next video. The Crown Boys cross multiple state borders, break a bunch of laws, and somehow avoid jail time. So stay tuned, and we look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Peace.
Oh, come on.
You gotta give a shout out to our friends.
No.
FCP Euro? What'd you do? You scumbagged them, huh?
No, I didn't scumbag him. Shut up.